You are going to love the 2026 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.